Hey, what's up guys? My name is Mila and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I wanted to do like a New Year's Eve outing kind of look because New Year's Eve is around the corner and hopefully this is done by New Year's. If not, we're just gonna make it a night out kind of look or whatever. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys go do that right now because it's gonna be super easy. All you gotta do is click. Anyways, let's get right to the video. To prep my eyes, I went with the P. Louise base in shade 0. Going in with the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, I am going in with Bay using my Morphe E23 brush. And I'm just gonna pat this shade throughout my whole entire lid, using it as a transition color. Using the exact same brush, I'm going to be going in with Sandwood. And I'm pretty much applying that right underneath my brow bone. Just dusting the shade, going in light swiping motions, and bringing it all the way down. Going on my Lexi 229 brush, which is a taping brush, I'm going to go in with henna. And I'm pretty much dusting this color in circular motions right on top of my crease, and then bringing it down as well. You want to make sure the bristles are lightly blending onto your skin, because if not, it's going to become way too harsh. It may be hard to blend. You don't know how much product you have on your brush, especially if you don't tap out the excess. It's always good to make sure your bristles are lightly tickling your skin. I want to warm up my crease just a little bit, so I'm going to go in with Cocoa using my Morphe E17 brush. And I'm just going to lightly tickle that shade a little bit above my crease, because we are going to cut the crease, so we don't want to do it on the crease because there will be no point. You're just gonna cut it and it's gonna disappear. So even if you were to get a little bit on the crease, it wouldn't matter anyways, just as long as you get it above the crease. And as you guys see, it's getting a little harsh. We're gonna fix that as soon as I'm done applying this shade. So going back with my Lexi 229 brush, I went back with henna and I'm just blending those two shades together. That way it's not so harsh. And I'm also bringing it down. And then I'm going back with Cocoa just to make sure I don't lose that warmth that I was trying to develop. Before I cut the crease, I want to add some black. This shade is in Black Truffle. The brush I'm using is the Morphe R37 brush. And I'm just focusing it on the outer corner. I'm not dragging it out. Time to cut the crease. Going back with my P. Louise in shade 0 and my IT Cosmetics flat brush. I am gonna start at the bottom and then I'm gonna hit my crease, and then now I'm going above my crease. And by going above my crease, it gives the illusion that I have a bigger eyeball. And then going with the flat brush, I'm gonna go in with Bay, and I'm just gonna pat this shade all over the base. The next shade I'm going to go in with is #Blessed using my Morphe M422 brush. What I'm going to do, I'm going to apply this shade in a diagonal. Reason being is because anytime I do anything in a diagonal, it gives the illusion of a cat eye, which I really do love when it comes to my eyes. So we're going to start right here, and then we're going to bring it out in a diagonal. And then we're going to pat it out. And then to make sure we don't lose Bay, we're going to go back in and press this color again, going in a diagonal. And then I'm gonna go in with Cocoa, going in a diagonal as well, blending it in between #Blessed and come here, Kai Kai. But again, like I was saying, going back in with Cocoa, and I'm blending it in between #Blessed and Black Truffled. And then to make sure we don't lose the black, I'm going back with Black Truffled, and I'm just blending the outer corner just a little bit. I don't really care too much if I get a little bit down here, because I'm going to clean it up with concealer, because I do want it to look snatched. So I do want to add a wing liner. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline liner. Whatever. This brush was a MAC brush, but I don't know what name it is because it's that old. Anyways, I'm gonna start at the inner corner, lightly pressing the product. And I'm pretty much following my lash line. It is starting thin in the front, and as I go out, it is thickening to make the illusion of the cat eye, because that is what I'm going for. If your liner is drying out like mine, go ahead and put a drop of the Inglois Doreen. This is holy grail. It like revives everything. You literally need like the tiniest drop. Boing. Mix the product and the brush together and you are good to go, honey. Because I am a woman of glitter, I'm gonna go in with Stark Crushed Minerals in Gold Star and Lit Cosmetics Glitter Adhesive, which is my holy grail. The brush I'm gonna be using is a Morphe 2502 brush. This is actually meant to be a liner brush, but this is the smallest brush I have, and I'm gonna use it as my glitter brush. So I went ahead and dipped the brush into the glue, and now I'm dipping it into the glitter. And now I'm just gonna press it onto #bless. If you get it on the black liner, no worries, you can just put black over that glitter. So like right here, I got some gold glitter on it, but I'm just gonna paint it. Obviously, you guys can tell I did the majority of my face. So now let's finish up the lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with shadow, and I'm pretty much gonna be smoking this color onto my lower lash line. And that's my phone going off. And then you'll probably hear my, who is blowing me up? And then we're gonna go with black truffle, and we're just gonna smoke out a little bit of the outer corner. Just like that. So again, just smoke it out just a little bit. And connecting it onto the outer corner on the top. Mascara. This has been my holy grail mascara. It is by a cosmetic called Superhero. Super obsessed with this mascara. And I'm just gonna apply a thin layer onto my top lashes. I forgot I need to add black liner onto my lower lash line. This liner is by RK by Kiss drugstore. Now back to the It Cosmetic mascara. I am going to apply a generous amount onto my lower lashes. That way they pop out. Going in with my Morphe R41 brush, I'm gonna hit Moon Dust, and I'm gonna apply that into my inner corners. You could go ahead and apply it onto the arch of your brow, but I'm just not gonna do that. The lashes I'm gonna be using are called La Saucy. They are from my Everyday Lashes by Mila collection. Like I said, these are called La Saucy. I'm gonna use these because they are definitely a cat eye, where they start very short and they start getting longer at the end. So it definitely is gonna influence that snatched look. I'm gonna go ahead and apply these with my fingers. Press them on. And do you guys see that? Isn't that freaking gorge? Again, these lashes are called La Saucy. The link will be on my bio, so you guys can go ahead and purchase them. They are $10, and you can use them up to 20 times depending how you take care of them. I literally have been using these for the whole month of November and December, and oh my god, like, I literally love these lashes so much. These are my go-to lashes right now. Everybody loves these lashes right now. These are like, right now, out of the 12 lashes, these are the ones that are getting bought over and over again, along with Day and Tease. Super obsessed with these lashes. Like, they honestly make this look so much more bomber. Alright guys, so this is the final look on this New Year's kind of outing, New Year's Eve kind of outing, whatever. Or just if you're just trying to have a glam look, you can always do this look as well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully it was super easy for you guys. If it was, let me know. If it wasn't, then I need to fix whatever the hell I'm doing to make it easy for you guys to complete this look. Anyways, I'll be seeing you guys next time. Happy holidays. Bye.